Catherine from the PepCom show floor at CES, here with Cam from Seedsheet. And tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
Sure. So we use technology to demystify agriculture, to make the process of growing your own food ridiculously easy.
Ridiculously?
Ridiculously easy.
All right, take me through it. I buy one of these.
So what you have is
next?
a garden in a sheet.
Okay.
So you have these dissolvable pods that are a lot like laundry pods, but instead of soap, ours have organic non-GMO seeds and a buffer of soil embedded within a weed blocking fabric. So all that you have to do is place it seed side down on top of a container full of soil, which we already sell.
Okay.
Comes included. And then once you water, these pods will dissolve, your seeds will sprout, come up through the openings in the weed blocking fabric, and you get the perfectly designed and spaced organic weedless garden.
Nice.
And launching this spring is our new Bluetooth enabled sensor that's going to pair with any of your gardens and tell you real-time data what your moisture level is, ambient light and temperature, to make sure that you're going to be growing the best garden possible.
Got it. So if I forget to water, it's going to ping me and tell me don't forget, because that's a classic problem that I have and why all of my herbs die very soon after I start them.
Well, we got your back.
Oh, amazing. So it's kind of an all-in-one, like, idiot-proof. Okay, so what can I garden from you guys?
Cool. So we have a whole bunch of different options. There's different pre-designed recipe kits, so you can grow your own herbs or salads, tacos, caprese.
Tacos?
Taco garden. That's
a whole
popular
taco?
One. Multiple tacos.
Wow.
Yeah, just add beef.
Okay, there you go.
And then we also have customizable gardens, where on our website you can pick and choose from over 75 different varieties of really weird, fun, and funky stuff. And then you design it, we build it, and ship it. So we like to say we're not meal delivery, we're farm delivery.
Grow your own meal.
Yeah, grow your own.
And so where are you available? Is it just online, retail?
So we are online, and we are on Amazon. We're designing our own custom ones on our website, seedsheets.com. But what's really cool is that this spring we're launching nationwide with Aldi's grocery stores, which is really cool because we've been doing predominantly up to this point lawn and garden channels. So this is going to be our first grocery category, and it's really, our positioning of we're not just growing gardens, we're growing your food.
Right, because when I go to the grocery store, Trader Joe's or whatever, they have herbs for me. That's where I get my basil, that's where I get my thyme. So if I could pick this up too, it makes a lot of sense to be in that sort of sector.
And if you're buying your bag of salad from a Trader Joe's, it's awesome for the first 3 days, and then it spoils in your refrigerator, and then you just spend $15 on nothing.
Right, so speaking of price and price wasting, which I am definitely a victim of, perpetrator of, what are we talking about price-wise for these?
So we have our new miniature kits, and so those are coming with everything that you need, your soil, your sheet, your container, everything, for $14.99. So that's going to be perfect for like your smaller windowsill size.
Like just out of pot?
It comes with the pot too.
It comes with pot?
Comes with everything.
There you go.
And then we have our balcony size, which is the next level up. That's this size right here.
Okay.
And so that similarly comes with your sheet, your container, your saucer, your soil, and that's $34.99.
Got it.
And then we also have our biggest gardening kits, which are your 4 foot by 8 foot, your raised beds. You just roll it out like you're making your bed in the morning.
Amazing.
And those are $99 and comes with everything that you need to grow your own food outside.
So if I already have one of these and I want to switch from basil to rosemary or whatever, do I just order? I would order that from your website, or go to the grocery store, pick up more seed sheets to sort of fill that in.
You can do either.
Amazing. That's really cool. It's excited about the Connected. When did that debut?
So that's debuting here right now and is launching in June.
Okay, very exciting. Well, look out for it in June.
Yep.
Thank you so much for taking a couple minutes to talk with us.
Of course. Thanks for talking.
Yeah.